These pink lemonade cheesecake bars are the perfect treat for summer. And today we're working with sunflower and knockout pink from my husband's gel collection. Speaking of Ed the Cake Guy, he is always my backup hands and muscle to every video I make. But in true Holly fashion, I decided to make Oreos the crust. So I just pulverized them as usual and added some melted butter. It was about 35 Oreos with 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and I just gently pressed it into a glass Pyrex pan. Moving on to our cheesecake filling, we're going to add cream cheese and sugar together first, then some vanilla extract and PK Elixir lemon drop. Love this flavor. Then a dash of flour, and we beat until light and fluffy. The last step is to add 3 eggs and only mix it in until they're combined. Then separate the mixture into 3 bowls, and you can color 2 of them with the pink and yellow gel colors. We wanted to leave the third mixture uncolored so there's a nice contrast. Now the fun part, let's pipe the cheesecake mixture onto our Oreo cookie crust. I did very shallow squares because we're going to drag a spatula through and do a design at the end. You will have to do a couple of layers of piping, but it's honestly really fun. I got tired, so of course Ed had to step in and help me. Give it a slight jiggle so all of the colors connect, and then drag your spatula through to make really cool designs. After it's baked, it's going to look like this. Of course, we got Ed the Cake Guy to cut up the cheesecake bars, and look how gorgeous they turned out. I love the sides where you can see all 3 colors. For the full recipe and all detailed instructions, head to our blog at thesugarart.com.